Clarus cable. Clarus is a new brand that's been introduced at Rocky Mountain Audio Fest in Denver in October of 2011. It is a product of Gordon J. Gow Technologies, and which are the proud makers of tributaries cables also. Clarus cable is developed using patents that were originally filed by J. Victor, and this has to do with the dimensions of the cable. Here we can see that the cable is made up of conductors that are all individually insulated and protected from one another. These are all solid cable conductors, and they are of different sizes, different gauges, and by doing that we can affect the tonal balance of the cable. For instance, if you look at one of these strands, you'll see that this particular strand is a tinsel wire. Now that's not just a regular piece of wire, that's actually a foil that's wrapped around a non-conductive center core, and that has a great effect on the high frequency part of the cable. Then if we look at, there's an actual bar of copper that runs through the cable, and that bar has a very strong effect on the mid-range response of the cable. Then many of the other conductors within this bundle are all solid core, heavy gauge conductors which affect the base frequency of the cable. So by varying the numbers of each of these in relation to one another, we can affect the tonal balance of the cable. And also the individual insulation of the cable allows us to keep cables from, the conductors from interacting with one another, and therefore produce a clean signal.